I am at Harvard Debate Camp to debate. I am learning a little bit more about public forum and expanding my knowledge and experience.
That's exactly what a group of Birmingham City School scholars set out to do this summer. For nearly 2 weeks, they joined hundreds of students from across the country, sharpening their communication, critical thinking, and debate skills at the Harvard Debate Council Summer Workshop.
I'm here to do is get better at debating, not just to debate, just to get better overall.
From international relations to race and gender, they explored topics that challenge them to think critically, listen to different perspectives, and support their ideas with evidence.
The lecture about race and ethnicity, that was my favorite lecture because it opened my eyes to a broader horizon of what racism is. There were a lot of people in the room. I feel like it was just very eye-opening to us all.
The learning didn't stop when the lectures ended. Students connected with peers from different backgrounds while learning from some of the nation's top debate educators.
I've been most surprised by the diversity and the ability that the people have here to teach and help us understand what they're teaching.
Every discussion, workshop, and debate challenge students to step outside their comfort zones and continue growing as communicators.
The advice I have for aspiring debaters is to just take it seriously. Put your all into it. There's going to be times where you feel uncomfortable, but uncomfortableness makes growth.
The experience may be over, but the lessons learned will stay with them for years to come.
I would love to thank Birmingham City Schools for all the opportunities they gave us to get up here at Harvard. And I would love to thank Impact America for helping us and supporting us and believing that we could do this.
Opportunities like this help Birmingham City School students grow as confident communicators, critical thinkers, and future leaders. Shanti Rodriguez, BCS Media.